Hey beloved, so I'm here today with a video on how to make a sea moss smoothie. Now this could be used for breakfast any time of the day as a snack. If you don't want a big meal at the end of the day, you could use this as well. But it's very delicious, and for some of you who don't know what sea moss is, it's a very nutritional I call it a superfood. Of course, it is a superfood, but it is really good for many different things, such as your skin, nails, hair. It helps with excreting mucus, of course, immunity. But this is the sea moss I have. And what I did, I made the gel, and I have a video on how to make sea moss gel. Just go down, scroll down to my videos, and you'll see where it is. But this is what I've ordered from Akeem Pierre. He's a native St. Lucian, which I'm very proud of him for being able to produce the sea moss straight from St. Lucia, as you see right here. And so what I've done is made the gel, which I have right here. It's very easy to make the gel. Once you've made the gel, you could then put it in anything, your soups, stews, porridge, and stuff like this, which is a smoothie. Like I said, the smoothie is very delicious. You won't even taste the sea moss. Matter of fact, when I made the sea moss, it wasn't even tasting like anything. It was just pretty much very, texturized the way that it's supposed to be. But yeah, that's that. And again, like I said, if you want to know how to make sea moss, I have a video on how to make that. But today's video is on how to make a smoothie. So the smoothie recipe is 1 banana. What I've done was chopped it up and put it in the freezer so that it has a little frozen texture. Once we make the smoothie, gives it a little chillness to it too. And then we're going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons, or 3 to 4 tablespoons of the sea moss gel. It's a recommended amount to eat daily. And we're going to have 2 dates, as a cup of, half a cup actually, of almond milk, and some spinach, which we have back here, like a half a cup of spinach. So let's get right into it. So what I'm going to first do is put my sea moss gel with a tablespoon. My tablespoon here. I'm going to put, like I said, 3 to 4. So I'm going to put actually, I think I'll do 3 this time. Get a nice hearty drink. All right, so that's my sea moss. I'm just going to then take my spinach here, which is already pre-washed. Gonna put like half a cup, and just put a handful. It's no really wrong or right amount. All right, that's my spinach. Then I'm gonna put my chopped, chilled or frozen bananas in here. Just 1 banana, actually, 1. Then I'm gonna put 2. I mean, you could put however much you desire. The reason I'm using this is because I'm not using any honey or sugar in this smoothie, and so the dates will give it its natural sweetness. And so yeah, that's why we use it. So I would use 2 of these. 1, 2, or you could use 3, whichever, like I said, is you desire. And our almond milk. You could use any milk. You could make your own milk. I typically like to make my own milk, but today it's going to be a quick, smoothie. So I'm going to put half a cup of almond milk in here. And that should give us a nice thick consistency. If you see that the milk is not enough to give it a loose enough consistency that you'd like, then go ahead and put more. But for now, I'm just going to put half a cup. I'm just going to cover this up. And sorry for the noise, but it's gonna get loud. So I have my little oyster smoothie maker here, which also crushes ice, but I'm not using ice today. I'm just gonna make a smoothie. So here we go. All right, now that doesn't take long at all. Once you get going, it's gonna blend in really nicely, very quick. So, and just be careful because the dates has a very hard seed, and so if you keep it in there, it may damage your blades. But the point is to get the meat off of the seed and get it extracted into the smoothie. So don't blend it for too long, otherwise the blade of your blender will pretty much just break up the seed, and then it's going to be pieces of seeds in your mouth. But for the most part, it doesn't. It keeps the seeds whole, and it will just have the pieces of dates in your smoothie. So what I'm going to do is just pour this into a cup, and it should be all ready to be drank and enjoyed. So let's pour it in the cup. Okay, so I'm going to just remove this. Pour it in our cup. Yummy, yummy, yum. Now this is really, really good. I typically drink this in the morning. I don't drink breakfast. I just drink this. And it keeps you full for pretty much most, if not all, the day. I typically get hungry if I drink this around 8 o'clock in the morning. I won't eat anything till midday snack, mid-afternoon snack, perhaps 2, 3 o'clock. And then from work, I eat dinner. But this is the smoothie, and like I said, it's very, very good. It's sweet. You won't taste the spinach at all. You pretty much take the taste of the banana and the dates, not even the milk, not the sea moss. And so if you're a typical person that's really scrimmage when it comes to taste and textures, you may want to try this. It's really nutritional, and it will keep you full, give you all the benefits that it carries throughout your health, and taking care of your immune system as well. So I hope you do try this. Sea moss is up and rising. It's always been around. As a little girl in St. Lucia, the older folks mostly would use sea moss, but nowadays people are getting the secret on sea moss, how good it is for us, and so it's getting very scarce nowadays. This pack that I just showed you, it took me forever to order this. Thank you, Akeem Pierre, again for providing this for these people. And it's a high grade healing ingredient. I love it. It's been a part of my nutritional regime right now. And I hope it does the same for you as well. Enjoy your smoothie. Let me know if you made it, how it was. Any questions you have, please comment below, and be sure to like and subscribe, and of course share so that someone else can use this video to make themselves a yummy smoothie as this. Ta-ta, have a good blessed day, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and see you next time. Oh, and by the way, next time, I'm getting in the process of doing it right now, but the next video, God willing, that I will be putting up is on how to get an interview. So that I'm very excited about. I know a lot of people have been waiting on this particular video. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, and I'm looking forward to sharing it and blessing others with how to get an interview. All right, well, see you later, beloved. Stay blessed again, and ta-ta.